After all these things, now, and good news about say a year Ghanaians in a year South Africa, no, the government of Ghana, it me ako South Africa, ako fa omunyina egu play mu about 300 of them first batch omunyina abedru South of Ghana asumdwemu. And I would like to tell Ghana for say, you see what this government has done, no. Sometimes I know people say just simple, sir, and just simple, sir. It is not that easy. A few weeks ago, I saw a lot of people, the MPP guys, trying to go after their foreign affairs minister and some chickens on social media, TikTok, Facebook, who did not understand the whole process of bringing over 300 Ghanaians to Ghana. It's not easy. In our history, at a point in 2005, Ghanaians were killed in Gambia. About 15 Ghanaians, they were shot, they were killed. The government of Ghana, that time na kufo ne woso. Those Ghanaians in Gambia, almost sunye say abani meji omo. That time na foreign affairs minister in Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. He looked on, he ignored, and he shot all those people dead. Ebe sin there. So for a government to come in and say, yeah, attacking Ghana for all the way in South Africa. Now with me, I'm mobilizing an aircraft to bring about 300 home and still expecting to bring more. No? You don't underestimate such gesture from a government. It is a government that is ready. Oh, you're Ghanaian, you need to be proud today. You need to be like, okay, now I have a government that can speak for me and protect me wherever I am as a Ghanaian. This is not a joke. We should not underestimate what has happened. Because 15 Ghanaians were shot dead in Gambia. They were killed. Before they were shot, they sent messages to Ghana. Satana Kufone waso na Akufo-Addo na foreign affairs minister. The history is there. Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo na MP before they ignored the calls of those Ghanaians. They did not even listen or pick calls. They did not even make contact with the Gambian government. They looked on for 15 Ghanaians to be killed. In the end, from what we have seen and witnessing in South Africa, ya book Ghana for, ya chichi bi good fiase, ya tatabi, ya kumbi. Na and the Abayin Etumaka said, no, I am not going to allow this to go on. Now Abayin through its foreign affairs minister, Samuel Kujato Ablakwa, to go to South Africa, organize Ghanaians, put them on a flight, fly them to Ghana, try and settle them. Jack, you should not you should not see this as a joke. You should be proud of yourself as a Ghanaian today. So the Abayin way, you know, the John Mahama, you know, this is what we call basic governance. Thinking about the people's plight being your plight. The people who gave you power, whether they are in Ghana or out of Ghana, no, it becomes their problem becomes your problem. And that is why we voted. That is why we vote for governments. Abayin way about power. We saw the foreign affairs minister go all the way to Ukraine to go meet students, sit with them in a room, listen to their problems, try to find solutions. The reason why I say these things, and I say, I am being too political, but I'm making you understand, say, what happens in the past, and in the edition, in the past, the same thing American wants to maybe see, and we had a political party in power that ignored Ghanaians, their problems, allowed some of them to die. Ghanaians were on social media. They were calling, they were screaming, Russia-Ukraine war. And that war, they want a danger first, you know. Do you know that? This, not 15, 44 Ghanaians. Sorry. I was thinking about Gambia, you know, 44 Ghanaians were killed. 44. 2005. Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo was the foreign affairs minister. 44 Ghanaians were gunned down. 10. Ever seen there? Yankan wants a meow. Akufo-Addo went now team was be the president. And to because Akufo-Addo Jimmy Fua will be some muadie. Because Akufo-Addo onimu nyansa ye didi nipa nim, ye didi oma enima, was me muadie. Onimu nyansa we Jimmy from Kwarabrem. Time and now foreign affairs minister no 44 Ghanaians were shot. They were gunned down in Gambia. Before they were shot, they were sending SOS messages to Ghana. Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo in 2005 was the foreign affairs minister. One can be. They even grouped them. They tagged them as a political party for Bihunipa, a tribe Bihunipa. The Kufuor administration. They ignored them and they were killed. 45 people. Ghana for Mumute Kufuor say, "Dear no be found." Thank you very much, team, for the correction. Because there's one story that we talk about, which is 15. 44 Ghanaians. And I can show you the story. Mr. S, put the story for me, Mr. P. Mr. P, put the story for me before I move on. Now, South Africa for Ghana for more South Africa. This is not a joke. Let us celebrate this. Let us be proud as a people. Let us give this government that credit that it deserves. The Foreign Affairs Minister has worked so hard. The Deputy Foreign Affairs Minister, he's worked so hard. There are people who are on the ground every day, going to South Africa back and forth, all because they wanted to save Ghanaians. And today, over 300 Ghanaians safely, they have been moved from South Africa to Ghana, not to just dump them. The government preparation, the idea, any preparation, it is clear. We are seeing it. Into we are Ghana now outside Ghana. Me too quite channel without the respect. Ni padodo mo Ghana mo hweme. And dipa bebre America, ye two omo tse mankai ni do America. Omo too kwan bia. They don't understand according to 90% of Ghana from go American grase for no. Ye tamo mo free wure man they don't see America. They don't even understand according to say tie. But if you are a traveler, say what to kwan, say wa kokoko baby na wa hu a you will sit and do what? You will sit and applaud this government. Mama Chow, 2005. Thank you, Mr. P. Thank you, Mr. S, for bringing this in. Team, if we can get a video to support this, I'll be very happy. News item or anything. It's a big deal. Make nobody underestimate it. This is a big deal. 2005. Gambia, no justice for 2005 massacre of migrants. Gambia. Now story near say, Mamen Kanchro. This is under MPP Kufuor. Me can be siya samusunde. Accra, the families of more than 50 Ghanaians and other West African migrants killed in Gambia and Senegal 15 years ago have yet to learn the full truth and obtain justice concerning the massacre. 11 human rights blah 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 today amid growing evidence. You understand there's something covering the story, but this is the story, and as you can see here, this is what happened under Kufuor in 2005. 44 Ghanaians you're bombing out to Gambia and Senegal. Me say there say a week before they were killed, these were people calling and sending messages. They say Omuhiamwa, the government left them to die. Now, me read this story. No, my team say me read the full story. No, because mon kwara na baba no. Yaka say MPP for yankwasiafo a. Mo say oh ye didi atem. Omo Jimmy. Anytime they can say, don't ever hand over power. What is this? Anytime they be catch them say, don't ever hand over power to the MPP again. The biggest punishment I remember MPP for is to make sure they never come close to power. Thank you, Mr. S. Thank you. Let me get the second part of the story. My team is the second part of the story in Chiremu. Now, let's read the story. MP from Kwasiafo, we are now back in the South Africa for no. Now, on July 22nd, 2005, Gambia security forces arrested the migrants who were bound for Europe after their boat landed in Gambia on suspicion of involvement in a coup attempt. Over the next 10 days, almost all the migrants, including about 44 Ghanaians, 9 Nigerians, 2 Togolese, and nationals of Cote d'Ivoire and Senegal, plus 1 Gambian, were killed in Gambia or taken across the border into Senegal and shot, and their bodies dumped in wells. 44 Ghanaians. Security for Chiomo Gambia say, na sanko for no omoko Europe. Ya Chiomo. Plus Senegalese, plus Nigerians, Gambia ni ba akokra ka ho. Omo Chiomo no so mo be yeku. 10 days, 10 days, they were sending message to Ghana government. 10 days. For that 10 days, no, they were calling on the Ghana government and the Foreign Affairs Minister. They were calling family. They were calling the embassy. They were saying that please come to our aid. NPP and Kufuor, they left them to be killed. So you understand now. And yes, obi time obi. History na debia say the NPP as a political party no omwe Jimmy. They are not people was a Ghana ni bia ti omo ni munyansa. Enti ade we ya ende esi wo Ghana yakoti sa Ghana for 300 about Ghana from South Africa no. So ni munyansa you will never allow NPP to come to power again. Never. I tell you kwasia. We have saved over 300 lives as a nation. You should be proud. And these people came home happy. For the first time, Ghanaians were willing to come home, and they are not just coming home sad. They were coming home happy because their country, their country has intervened. Right now, they have that trust and belief in the Ghana they left behind. All because there's a government in power of Ghana. All because the president is intelligent. President is not selfish. Ghana Nibia, it does not matter. In conform by way, may I sure say in 2020, a Bibi by Ghana beto Obama MPP. I am very sure, but I don't care. John Mahama doesn't care. The government of the day, they don't care. All they know is that Ghana for and Yakofor. I am very sure, say, Sani Poboba, Ebiba Ghana in 2020 and 2024 to vote for the MPP. But time do say, before my code, you can say, we MPP ni, you can say, we NDC ni, you can say, we CCP ni, you can say, you can Ghana for, and you're the Ghana for Abefie. And that is what a political party, that is what the people think. That is what a social democratic party thinks. It's a party that thinks of Ghanaians, not Ghana for be. NPP, you know, they think about people who make money. They are only thinking about how they will make money. That is what the MPP thinks. And this is not a joke. This is a big deal. Now, let me show you something. You share some of the videos and a Siwo Accra International Airport. Let's watch some of the videos.
Mahama. I need to from Kenya. I need to
the excitement I want to pay him. Omo country the same thing. JJ Rawlings, Liberia and talk on this year. Okofa Ghana for free Liberia the Ghana. Emma Osama Liberia for asylum. A lot of Liberians ended up selling, and your Liberia for doing some Ghana for. And we don't care because we are one people. We respect them as Yenuanum, and there are some Liberians here. They are contributing to the development of this nation. That is how a country should be built. And power, it is all about Ejapadie, it is all about Enton, it is all about tribe, it is all about Weneni, it is all about Yefriha. Sam Kwasiadena MPP Dibu Mino, anytime catch a Ghana for say, so you're Ghana in the old just about MPP away, Jimmy, because they don't care about you, they don't think about you. You saw the excitement in the faces of these people. Mamencho, some people told us the ordeal they went through in South Africa. Na sankofo nyina ho na yete Ghana adentina na yete Ghana adentina and ye nyina ye ni agi because aban na kire se aban na yetoma aban no enya aban a eye yimu aban enya aban a edi nka buta se wo party card wen enya aban e buta se o ya santini ana se o ye koni ana o ya hunani enya aban e buta se wo toma me ana se wan to amame eya aban a edwene Ghana for ho. And today you can see these people are excited, but let me play some videos. The pain and amanfo bi fam e was South Africa. Let me tell you, I have lived in South Africa before, and I've said on my show, South Africans are animals. South Africa for, me say, imponche for swatch in South Africa for. So what these people have gone through, don't underestimate it. I have lived there before. I have lived in South Africa. I have the experience. Meaning the American cultural, to say moi. And so I go to South Africa, they don't reason. They don't care about anybody. Now, no man called for famous South Africa.
Opa, me chill.
Oh, and then I said, oh, sorry.
But, my baby do me krumo dear. Bonnie be on my media, media chow. Semeso my own bonnet, so I'm fan cheme. Still life goes on. Opa, me chill.
Oh, and then I said, oh. Sorry.
But nyame maba bedu mi kuro mu de boni bi o man ni bia me de ache wo se me so maye omo boni so a omo fa nche me still live
ba me wo place wo ho enyina me de amema me nua no mo a omo so no omo didi ma me bi ye dey ebidi omo man ko fam bibia mentumi anfa mata ade mentumi we si atade a me sei eye sister bia ye hia no Ghana airport ene de watumi ayi makoma bia dey ansana man bi nso a me ka kire no watumi de me bag bi afiri ba bia dey able me enti ya ble pa ya ble ya man.
Now, when you watch this, Bibi Catcher say, hey, now say Alban bi wo sa. Say Ghana for Alban a Ghana for. We are not supposed to take this as a joke. Let's not underestimate what this government has done. 1 minute to cry. Utie omo ba na ebi mu asem omo ka. Last week catch them bebre jam bibia o hodon baba. And this thing you are talking about now, what was sesre and I say uhunu say simple no. Obi o wa kwentum na te de make na say. Won enija na omani age o plane nim. Won eye the happiness afili omakoma omu see Ghana asase so. Won obi ne ma obi the way they are happy to come to Ghana. Say anka ban no anya effort na kan kofo we nyina they will be there crying. Omakoma ebetumi abri or they will be hurt in their heart. Because in 2019 xenophobic attack will be ABC or South Africa. Not MPP no power. Ghanaians were being beaten. Mokai 2019. Foreign Affairs Minister, this woman, Okachira say, no Ghanaian casualty in South Africa xenophobic attacks. They did not even care to go and look and check and see where everyone is. So 2019, time ane ya bossa Ghana for South Africa. Ya bubi, ya tata omo, ya omu dane, omu tina Ghana catch as a problem bien ubian praye. You see the MPP. In 2019, it is hard when South Africa for starting. No, time ane kufuwa tesuna ba umya vice no. ABC Ghanaians creamed omukandi ombeso omukambia say aban MPP aban embebomo the Ekufuado Bawumia government through their foreign affairs minister Sam Amiwe they ignored them. Why? Because they didn't care, because they were thinking about hey yamfa sikanko for omumra na omomo ye Ghana for na omomo tomaye na omo free hefa ebia honafo ebia kofo ebia yi bonofo ebia nkranfo ebia omo nye ye party for inti yankofo mo. That is what the MPP was saying then. In 2019, instead of them to go pick Ghanaians, they did not do it. And saying they see, Abawe saw it. It is very important and necessary to go bring Ghanaians because there are so many Ghanaians out there. They wanted to come home. In 2019, MP for Kacha, oh, bien prior, no problem. 2019. Shirley Oyokoboche, Okache so Obian Pride, Bibian C, Yatata Ghana for Obian Pride, they are no problem. They left Ghanaians to go through hell. And if you want, we can show you videos, 2019 videos. The only year Ghana for or South Africa. I can show you the videos. I can tell my team to pull the videos out. I can show you 2019, the Ghana for Como South Africa, how Ghanaians were beaten, how Ghanaians were molested, how Ghanaians, some of them suffered some injuries. It was life-threatening injuries. This government MPP, Abankache, said, Obian Prayer, no problem. We're in 29 when they went there, they stayed in Santon. They stayed in a hotel, met the ambassador, and came home. They did not go down to say the Abrakwamo Koho. They went to see the people, spoke to them, met them, hugged them, made them understand, say, Ghana is coming to rescue them. No, they did not do that. Mami we kwatena Santon, and Okodi Eden, Voros, and Pap, and Odene Kwasiaba Ghana because say Obian Praye, BBNC, and the Jai Ghana for South Africa 2019. They went through hell. Today, Ghana way, Aban way, and this Aban actually the difference. MPP are buying and this are buying way. I bet you difference. I can show you records upon records. Mr. P, thank you very much, team, for bringing this in. I mention another story. Nema twa and that's some so. But bibi ntina de biano ya kasa ne ya kwechi ni acheche me because MPP for mo jimi omo nyanipa. Ma mention ade. This is the same 2019 xenophobic attack. Time na Ekufuado mo also. This is 3 Ghanaians injured from South African xenophobic attacks. This is 2019. This is 2019. September 6th, 2019. And so the Foreign Affairs Minister Bekachire said nobody got injured. Time at 2019, the Kufuado Teswa. Let me put them side by side. Kwasiafo. MPP for Munyansa. You see, I keep telling Ghana for Bomo so Kevin on Pel Masem Dabio. Omunyani pa omo Jimmy. See the 2 stories. Let me expand this. Now look at this. This is 2019. Shirley Kachire say, Shirley told us September 4th. Or see Obian Praye, September 6th, na yeda hon Bogana for nipa be miense prepra. This is the MPP for you. This is the MPP for you. In terms of and because they don't have any rebuttal, they don't have anything to say. For from 2005, Kufuor any Kufuor time, any Ku Ghana for 44 Gambia. Kufuor did not go there. Nipa 44 you come Kufuor in 29 Gambia. They killed 44 Ghanaians. And for more, they didn't care because omu Ghana for Omuntuma MPP. The same way in so far Ghana for El Volta Regional. Ekufuor ne kwasi agacha obo say mokra Omuntuma me adentina me bibi nipa fun sa no. Otumi ko gina Ghana for omu sika ehwe no. Why bypass 2. Ekufuor Ghana for taxes. They are treating the bypass 2. Ojina awunafo ni ka kire omo say mokra Omuntuma me adentina me ba han kwasiafo yen santam tumi mamu nwan. Yabe kaimo edi mutamna report at Chresa people say kwasiafo munya mubewu. That is what they told us. And this is what they did when they were in power. And it's and you know why? Because they don't know what to say. Jimmy we be president amami anke Kufuor asem adanya we nyini na we unhu panyina odini kwa be we nyini we Jimmy die nyini da. Now we go to September 6th now. Now, after they saw, say, Afe, a month we prepare, they came back to tell us this. Oh, Afe, the Nipa 3 pra, MPP are buying. They never went there to go check on any Ghanaian. Now, later, they came back to tell us, say, where did he go? Yeah. But the third story, MPP for, we are not my South Africa story. This is the third story. Let me cover my face. Now, after later, Ghana for studies some weird, didn't know. And then people catch xenophobic attacks. 3 Ghanaians injured in South Africa. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs has said 3 Ghanaians have been injured in the ongoing xenophobic attacks in South Africa. My many by affairs because say Obian Praye. After 2 days, Ghana for prepare. But what did they do? They didn't do anything. Me chiramu MP before sequence am de ma ono. Kwasiafo. Because of what Jimmy, because of Munyansa, was a Kevin Muadia, Memenya Korasa, MPP for from Kwara to Penny for Jimmy, Munyansa. There's no intelligent person in the MPP now, as I speak. No intelligent Omuyan Kwasiafo, because it is always about them. They don't care about anybody. It is always about them. And today, I'm telling you, say, this story we are talking about, and about evacuation here, the Ghana for, aba eye Ghana ende no. You need to understand say a big deal. Don't underestimate it. JJ Rawlings ekofa Ghana for Liberia. And John Mahama ekofa Ghana for South Africa. Nana do dan kweku for the for 2005. Omu jama Ghana for 44 your bomu toku omo anko. That is the MPP. Now, let's go back to the videos. Let me show the AC. So this is what happened at the airport. They were so proud. They sang the national anthem. The patriotism is there. We are going to receive them. With all due respect, we are Ghanaians. Now, any opportunity be you can contact the Foreign Affairs Ministry. Oboha no a hairdresser no Oboha no ye jumebi or a teacher. Let us find a little bit of space to be more almost. So that is what we do. That is what makes us Ghana. Now the Foreign Affairs Minister Ekasaye, time omukono. Let's listen to him. Before we listen to the Foreign Affairs Minister, no, my uncle tie de Ghana phone bi ekaye time omu si free plane no. Let's go listen to some of the Ghanaians.
Oh, and they play, because I would be break a fast man, but you're a Mahama, I bet you know, me about you, back at the fast months. And you're easy to say, you're a chama, but you're a Mahama Bayano, with your me now, boom back home. At the name of the fee, if you see a Domani said you're a Mahama, so on your money, man, or that's what 3 years, Mama got 3 years, or your money at the money. Oh, and they play, because I would be break a fast man, but you're a Mahama, I bet you know, me about you, back at the fast months. And you're easy to say, you're a chama, but you're a Mahama Bayano, with your me now, boom back home. At the name of the fee, if you see a Domani said you're a Mahama, so on your money, man, or that's what 3 years, Mama got 3 years, or your money at the money.
Oh, Yamishra Ghana painful, so much to me. I dream a momba. I quit to my baby, a bimu fiase. And so, what to me, Omunina, Akaya, and what Chile and what South Africa. Yet the two name Ampa Omanyi Ajemu, Omaji and Tata, and the Ababedu Amasum game. Omubumibu. Ah, Opa, me, chill.
Oh, sorry.
But nyame ena mababe du mi kromo de boni bi o mai mi bia me de ache wo se me so mai o mo boni so a o mo fa nche me still life goes on. Oh, me de to me no my am obi anko yen ya ban odwen yen ho ena sane a nyema hya ase wo South Africa no ntina yen payinfo omodwen ho ombefa omba efi South Africa sane a wetimi ne wakama because ye peace yen pieces ntina yen payinfo aba be yin efi ho ma sundwe mu but me metumi aka se me upon your my nyina no me de omoboni a che omo still
because South Africa 10 years in 2016 30th March na me call honom ne de enye easy mame me ko won kola mi no wo ho And the last 2 years, I'm watching me, and in about 2 years, I was Sabi, was the police station. They say I'm a bit free, them. You're very safe and very, very, very happy. What I can say for now. Thank you.
It's not easy. Men who are we say I grow. No. Men who be our South Africa be school. There are people. Oh my man, there are people who are more educated than you, and there are so many reasons in terms of focus South Africa. In this all you are buying now, on call for Kobe say no to me. Take the risk, take the time to make sure so bet me I left so many about Ukroma Jack. Sabano, you didn't want grow. You don't underestimate or try to even think about anything else apart from Sabano. You need to keep that government for years. The reason here, me MPP near Debia me bo NDC abaswa me pe John Mahama and Nyansa and say MPP no more Jimmy. Omuni Nyansa for that is the problem. Me MPP ni mapa. Me want me party card. Me dango chia me dues. Sebio me party ni MPP ni astra me kacha mo say montuma NDC ne say MPP fo Jimmy. Omo juni omo anka omo nko aho. Omo say ntwamoa. Omo say bola so moa. They don't think. It is all about them. Property owning government, property owning party. Kofo japade obenya, ekufo de japade obenya, obi japade obenya, ba omi japade obenya, ba omi ayire draw se ebeto amano. Nyanse bi anim, nyanse ni bi ani sa party nim. Me MPP ni mapa, MPA. Me yam mapa. Ena masaya MTKK matetia ka omoso. Ai me MPP ni MPA mapa and I'm Messiah NTTK matetia sa ka omoso me a typical MPPN inti me kan so much what tie me na MPP omo Jimmy MTTK matetia ka omoso and I am still a member. I am not going anywhere. Me kan nyansa chiro ma so omo adwene bebe fie nkwasiafo. You see, Ghanaians are happy to be home. Keke, just be home. For the idea sir what my own mind no abane dwene ho kwa keke it's refreshing. Say Omaya ufri so because you're Ghana, you're Nigeria for her, you're Senegal for her, you're Gambia for her, you're African countries in Krobe Breni Power, South Africa. You're Kumbi, you're Biasha jail, you're Tatabi. Say, or you're Ghana and or catch Nigeria. My government is taking me home. They brought a flight. Do you know how that feels? Say Ghana and Nigeria and he say, I am going home. My government back home. They have sent a flight to pick me back home. Nigeria nipa unsa we nipa cheno. Gambia nipa unsa we nipa. That alone shows say we Ghana nia sebio o omanya omodwene ho. Enti NDC aban ma me ndi ho agro. Now, mommy anko back to airport. Ni anko tie asema foreign affairs minister kan. Omo we no so no they were able to give them some little food to take with them home. Ni nyamre be kire mo.
We thank the Almighty for protecting our lives. And we thank him for giving us a leader in the person of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, who values the lives of Ghanaians. Today, the Mahama administration is demonstrating that wherever Ghanaians are, we will make sure you are protected, your dignity is respected, and we will go to the length of this world to bring you back home safely. On behalf of President John Dramani Mahama, we say Akwaba to all of you. Obake, Wezolo, and we want to thank all our partners. The Chief of Staff has been very instrumental in mobilizing all of us to put this evacuation together. We want to thank NADMO. We want to thank the Gender Ministry, you see the Honorable Gender Minister here. We want to thank our international partners, IOM, who are working with us. And I thank all colleagues at the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, including my own brother, the Honorable James Jachi Kwesin, very hardworking, very dynamic, very supportive. Today's welcome ceremony is fully packed. you are going to receive psychosocial support. We have psychologists, we have medical doctors, we have nurses here to take care of you. That is not all. President Mahama says that all of you should be given 2 special allowances. One for your transportation. So there will be a transportation allowance to wherever you live, wherever your homes are, whoever you are going to connect with. And then there will be a reintegration allowance, a special package to help you put your lives back on track.
So, they're not a Foreign Affairs Minister, Kenyans, and I would like to applaud the Chief of Staff, Julius Debra. He's been wonderful when it comes to making sure, all these things are put together well. He made time. The president was busy today because of the Eid al-Adha event. He had to be with the chief imam to celebrate at the Independence Square. But Julius Debra, the chief of staff, made time, and then he made sure every single person Obia felt at home. So I would like to applaud the chief of staff, Julius Debra, for a wonderful job done. I applaud the Foreign Affairs Minister, Okujato Ablakwa, simply perfect. The deputy to the Foreign Affairs Minister, Mr. Jachi Kwesi, exemplary leader, very on point. He's very hardworking. He's on the ground, making sure Juma Wejinaba. So the gender minister too made some time to be there. The gender minister, a very wonderful woman, because in Kwara womb, people under 18 womb, they need the support. They need to make sure a man is a woman. So the gender minister also represented. In fact, all the sectors, the ministers that are very important, also airport, they were there, and they all did what they had to do. And that is the most important thing about we Ghanaians and this government. They tried to make sure also be. So I would like to applaud them. But asama na Okujato Ablakwa Kenyina say Ghana for na yakofo mo free South Africa ediabano. The president of the Republic, Mahama, say and yes obviously Ghana Accra International Airport esimu kofie. Now president say Oma Ghana for nyina atia say also omo support aban na sebio omo mu bi na omo send sikaba Ghana yenya eto ni bi free mu no aban no Mahama aban no ebe mo omo sika mo de afoka akofie transportation allowance. And also be more a friend integration allowance. Now, say reintegration allowance no. And then they say Mwaba Ubuha na ebi or hairdresser South Africa. Obe here sikaka krebi dia stati bibi. John Mahama say Ubia kakra will be also the mano na almost started bo omobrano or say wakache Foreign Affairs Minister through the Finance Minister say omoma omusika omude foka bebi obia kobiano yemano enough money to go back to where they think they want to go settle. And sikaka kre de be more omude betumi so edia sha omabrabo ase no. NDC aban say through the Foreign Affairs Ministry, the Finance Ministry, no. John Mahama say yemo musika no move to me enso enfan start bibi sene ebi mo ba no omkutem enkwara ebi mo ba na ebi ayare kakra ebi so ba no ombe hia so start djuma nkitinkiti bi enti John Mahama aban NDC aban say yemo musika kakra so no mo start enfan bo mo bra we ni aban Okasano or say omobano the doctors by psychologists for by the pediatricians by the so many medical professionals by sebi obi oba we jaja pade bebre or South Africa sebi oda ho dwene ho ohun se ne obe start odi yawo sebi o na adwene no sebi o enhyedan toye because odwendwene dodo ye onipa omo no betena se akasa ma mati age se chia na achia embuye ebe nyina nkwase abeno no but o se chia na achia keke na embuye nti omo no beka na sebi omo so agye atum se efie na yaba enye kra enti se pede kuntu enwen a ne chia na eba nti omo de nipa sa ne bi koye ma omo nyina so etumi ne omo kasaye nti we ene de John Dramani Mahama aban no eye ma Ghana for 300 so far omo aba na omo kɔ no sebi odo ya hwenhwemade no sebi ompepa ne nsan kwa NDC are through the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, the Chief of Staff Julius Debra, and the friend gender minister any omo keka no ema sebio Ghana for mobile no ye momo bibi kakra so omo fanko fie na sebio omo so enko no aduane bi sebio omo fanjo makoma na omo fa endwene senia omo start omo brabo into omo kono so sebio omo so omo fo mo nsapan emfiri de emfiri airport wo anko fie. All right, we would like to say welcome home. Sebio Chana Chia Nembuye, and we know Bibia and Tisefie, there's nowhere like home. And we would like to tell you, as Ghanaians, whatever we can do to help. In Msenenye easy, it was South Africa. And the honest truth is, it is not going to be that easy in Ghana. But if you're focused, so what I want you to say, Bibia Uja or South Africa, no Opese, Sebio, Otuasu Free Ghana. It's all about psyching yourself, putting yourself in the right place, and making sure, say, you pursue the Opesa Webiano. In no time, you'll be back on your feet. Remember, Obiabe Mumbu, according to Sanetie, Sebio, Mumudo do Amobano, Obienwa, we did them, and Obienwa Sebio, Najuna say, there's still hope. Onyame, and Ebie Kwamanipa. No matter where you are. Sebio, Ubu South Africa about 10 years. A year opportunity away now South Africa no, in the next month or two in Ghana and Ubenya. That is how life is. There's a reason why today you have left South Africa, Wabedru Ghana. Onyame and a BBR. And the only thing you need to understand is through hard work, perseverance, and making sure say you are always positive in your thinking. Sebio, Ghana na yabano, and yes, go to the form and Sabeka. But Onyame ne nim de nipa bedi obo modern kakra onyame so ebeso so ama bibia akoyi. So let us believe in ourselves, and yene so eye busuafo ma besoa ye no sebio they are going to be a burden a little bit. We should also show them say at the end of the day sebio bibi ntina ma beka yensa na so ma betena ye so ka sebio ha ni se ka kire omo because sebio omo so no mo akwantum no na adwene pa e wo mutim nyina ne se omo so bepe bibia befie na sebio nipa ko na we nya bibia ba enkire se bibia sei nti omo so aye besoa mo no mo a mo ye busuafo a mo gi omo no mo nchiti omo se busuafo mo maka sebia mo beka akire omo ne ho nte sebio nipa wu a na wasei nipa onwu ye ne de anytime bia any da so. So we the Ghanaians are omo besoa ye no ye na ye the first pointer ye betumi am that confidence and belief. Say you started it yomo, you started can sembi any say catch chiroma, you be bre omusu, you be bre omase. Yet dear omo person be yinane, akukudra, ekuta omo, any nyansa, ni pebi person de be bo omobrano, ni yina be to me agra. Into mama yam fakasade. Yene ya so for a sorry for yene ye imams for yene ye wo ekroswa kakra wo yensema yenim so bia ba o won sa no dwuma bi obetuma bibi no mama yemboa na sebio kakra betuma ya abo no yemfa mbo no mo so entumi ene yembetena no mo meye sebio de omo so beye aboa ama oman yakoso enti yene a ye tifia omo besoe no yene ye the first point of contact mama yenhwe ye kasam yie mama yengi omo sebio nkomo ba no mkuta gold adaka 30 anka yene yebeka se ebusuafo ne omo so omo de omo nsapan aba so a yebusuafo ne omo sebio omo ba no omo de enkwa na aba enkwa ne hia. It is very, very important to say yene a ye twan omo ofie yene a ye gi omo sebio in a couple of months omo ba betena ye so anomo ne ye betena no ebe din kakra but sebio omo wu ye nkwa de sebio it is better to keep them because enkwa ne hia. There's always hope. There's always an opportunity. There's always life. Bibi betumi, papa bibi betumi si. Inti yene Ghana for yesremo. Moso amubusuafo aba na monji omo. Obitumi kwa kontonu akowuni ehunu kura biem, ye hunu funu biem. Yempo de ye lucky. Onyame sebio wama ye nhira ma ebusuafo abeka yensa. Ebi matuma kɔ awo ede omo mba aba ama ebusuanu mu atere. This is the time we need to show love, believe. Yen guide omo ebe din. Nanso sebio kase free ano beba efutu a ebe free mu aba any confidence ebe di omuchi na ebi mu ha ebi mu omu hia kasa de keke ebi mu hia confidence keke ebi mu hia say ye ne omu nyina ebetu anamon ebi mu hia asori support ebi hia eye incremofo support ebi hia abosomfo support. We need to give them that genuine love as Ghanaians. Let us support them. Akwenti omu nsam dɔso enya de ometuma kan nyina Samuni omo kasa na omo kasa munja omo embre du na obeso onu di akontu mu nsema obeka ni nyina akiro. Let us not push them. Yema sebio this time no omo ntumi rest entumi ngengene enhu bebi omo de omo hu besi ansa na yatete omo ye kan de ekosi kire me de okọ de ne course 5 years awo de say enhia sisia. Let us accept them. Let us keep them home. Let them feel comfortable. As time goes on, omo kasa de omo experience no ebetu yefo na enu bi ne de betu ekoto dwom na yenso yebetumi de abo ebra. Enti very important. Omo mo bafie no mama sebio yen respect omo na yen do omo se sebio yesu.
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it. The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it. I know it. The NPP cannot be underestimated.